Feast your eyes on this absolutely stunning Norton 750 Commando. What an absolute beauty. I believe it is, well, it's a very dark gray, but almost has a hint of green to it, I'd say. Wouldn't you, Billy?
Yeah, definitely.
And often, though, you're going to hear the call of the wild coming up the driveway here in a second, because it is one badass Norton 850 Commando rolling up the driveway here in a second. I believe it's bored to, what, 950? Hell yeah. What kind of pipes are those, Billy?
Those are Dunstalls, I think, Cat.
I saw the Dunstall logo on the rear sets.
Off the line.
$850 Commando. This is Chris, the owner of NortonCommando.com. He may be 39 years old, only 39 years old, but he's a veteran Norton aficionado slash guru, and his passion for Nortons has actually turned into a business. Check this thing out. He's actually working in the machine shop now in reverse engineering a lot of the parts for these that you can buy from him at NortonCommando.com. He just hooked us up with a bunch of parts for our John Player Norton. What a machine. Marzocchi shocks. What kind of mag wheels are these?
I have no clue.
They look awesome.
Okay. What the fuck we got it?
Are those the factory originals?
No.
So how many cc's is this thing now?
920. NORVILLE 920.
It's a NORVILLE. It'll wheel you all the way up the driveway, won't it?
If you're brave enough.
What kind of those Dunstalls?
Yeah, those are the real Dunstall packs.
Yep. They sound amazing. This is his personal ride. And how long have you had this one, Chris?
About less than a year.
Did it run this good when you got it?
It wasn't running.
No?
No, it's sad, but I got it running and I enjoy it.
Did you do the 920 kit on it?
No, a friend of mine, Phil Radford, had this bike before I did, and he did all the work that's on it now.
That's a unique looking front brake assembly on here too.
Yeah, that's a NORVILLE front disc brake.
NORVILLE front disc brake. Check them out at NortonCommando.com if you want to buy some of these parts. He's got a lot of trick parts available for Nortons. Scoop on this one, Chris. This thing looks freaking badass.
I have no idea what the history of this one. I got this one about 10 years ago. My goal was to make it the black version of the John Player
Yeah.
Norton, but kind of like the 90s John Player Special, the black and gold. And it runs good, so I just never got to it. And
I love the color combo. Is that a black or is it a gray or what? What is
it's
it?
green.
It's green. That's what I said to Billy. It's like a gray green
Yeah. So
with the gold.
yeah, I'm trying to sell it if someone could start it.
Okay.
Sold. Hey, maybe we should buy it and play with it for a little while.
I would love to have that.
I'll have to ask you twice, huh? Bob's the one I should have weeded with the camera there. He was going so fast, couldn't keep an eye on him. Hell yeah. Sounds wicked. You having a flashback to the Isle of Man, Billy?
Way back.
That's badass. Twins, Basil, twins. I guarantee you, it's been many moons since two Nortons went down West Main Street here, if ever. Two badass Commandos. We've had one here many times, but we haven't had two running up the road. That's one badass machine right there. Look at that thing. What do you think, Bill?
Oh my God. It's like a nostalgic ride, man. This thing is like going back in time 50 years. Amazing. Look how it runs.
What a beautiful machine.
Wow.
Very unique body kit. Probably the only one this color, right, in existence with that fairing on it.
I think so.
One of one, guys. You're not gonna find another one. That was pretty cool. So Chris, it's a safe bet that that's the first time twin Norton Commandos have flown down West Main here this century. Freaking awesome.
Yeah. Woo, look at all that.
What a machine.
Yeah.
Thing's absolutely beautiful.
This is 750, by the way.
Oh, it's a 750, okay.
Yeah, 71 750.
71. How many speeds is this one?
4.
Unique shifting arrangement down here, right?
That's a Dunstall kit, yep.
So is it 1 down, 3 up, or?
1 up, 3 down.
Opposite, okay.
Yep.
Twin carbs,
Yep.
Amels.
Oh yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Guys, if you want to buy this bike, it's actually for sale. And it runs really good. If you want all the details, give Chris a call. What's your number?
413-561-7575.
There you go. Or check him out at NortonCommander.com. Tell him Uncle Ken sent you, and he'll give you a special discount on it. He's asking $8,500, but he'll hook you up. No commission, just trying to help him out. And he's investing all the money into his business to create the tooling to build more badass Norton parts to keep the dream alive. This one's not for sale. This is his personal ride. Made in England, baby. Just like me. What a machine. Chris, thanks for bringing these by today, man. I really appreciate it. Freaking awesome. What'd you think, Bill?
My God, thank you, Chris. What a privilege to ride these beautiful bikes. Unbelievable.
We got George on cam again. What's up, George? Rev that engine, kid.
It's so quiet, you can barely hear it.
I know. It's electric. You know them new electric bikes nowadays?
It's your birthday tomorrow, so I got to go get you something special today.
You heard that, guys?
Let's rev that Yoshi up. Yeah, baby. Number one Yoshi borrow. Yoshi, on the pipe. Where's your helmet, kid?
I don't know.
I want you to make it to your 20th birthday. Happy 19th. Love you.
Thank you, love you.
Both these very unique bikes. Unique colors too. Is this a factory original color on this one, or is it custom?
No, it could be the factory color, but like again, someone else did all the customizing in the early '80s, and this is how it was.
What a beautiful engine. Look at that. Even you could put this in your living room and just look at it, and you'd probably get your money's worth. They're just beautiful pieces, and they sound amazing. And they're performance machines. In fact, these were the best road racing machine you could get in the late 60s and early 70s. Am I correct? Didn't they win the Isle of Man, Bill, a few times?
Oh, they certainly did. Yeah, Peter Williams on one of these won the Formula One and the Isle of Man.
I believe.
You know, highly modified, specially built Norton, but Norton had racing. They were all in racing. Norton is the very first winner ever of the Isle of Man TT in 1907.
Wow.
So
they've been around that long?
Their pedigree
I had no idea.
goes all the way back.
Every day I learn something here.
They're still in the top 10 of the most winning brand of the Isle of Man.
1907, wow. What was the first year of the Isle of Man?
07.
Oh,
very
no
first
kidding,
race
wow.
ever run there was won by a Norton.
They've been doing it for 100 years. It's
Over
insane.
100 years, and they
Oh,
keep
yeah.
coming back with more new technology. For a while, it was Wankel. I mean, the Wankel engine, Nortons were unbelievable motorcycles.
I got to get there before it's too late, man.
Yeah.
Well, I can still remember what I'm doing. Wow. Thanks again, Chris. I really appreciate it. Guys, check him out, NortonCommando.com. Chris will hook you up with any Norton parts you want. Norton Advice, Norton Connections. He's the go-to guy, knows everybody in the industry, and he's doing some really amazing stuff. You got to stay tuned. Some of it's top secret, but you want to keep an eye on this guy and his channel because he's got some kick-ass things in store for the Norton. Thanks for watching. Hoorah! And God bless America.